Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a lot to go over. IPSY and Boxycharm news. Are they merging? I mean, we knew they merged, but are they like actually merging now? Life update, where have I been? A whole bunch of stuff to go over because this is the first time I've missed like 2 weeks worth of videos since I started my channel. So I'm going to go into all of that today, starting with the much anticipated Boxycharm update, a whole bunch of information, and then some. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because ideally I upload every other day and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into a whole bunch of IPSY and Boxycharm news, as well as a little bit of a life update where I've been and why I'm missing so many videos, stay tuned. All right, so I'm going to start with the Boxy tee because I know that's really what you're here for. So I do have it pulled up in front of me, and I do want to address the rumors that IPSY is canceling the Glam Bag Plus and instead going with Boxycharm. I'm going to put a screenshot up on the screenshot up on the screen so that I can read through this with you and you can read along, and we will analyze whether the rumor is true or not. First and foremost, IPSY and Boxycharm are coming together. We will be combining IPSY and Boxycharm to deliver the very best of both worlds. It is your dual passport to IPSY and Boxy, all housed under one roof at IPSY.com. So what does this mean for your membership? New name, same control. Your Glam Bag Plus membership will transition to Boxy by IPSY. But don't worry, you will still choose 3 of your 5 full-size faves every second and third of the month. Hot brands at an even better value. You'll continue to get 5 full size of the hottest brands, now at an even better value, worth up to $215 for the same price of just $28 a month. And you'll receive even more launches, buzzworthy brand exclusives, and emerging trendsetters from brands such as Too Faced, Huda Beauty, Sunday Riley, and Fenty Beauty than ever before. All personalized and based on your beauty quiz and reviews. How? We're saying bye-bye to the drawstring bag and pulling that towards better products and a better value, and packaging that is 100% recyclable. Deals and steals. Don't worry, you'll still have the member perks such as the add-on, pop-up, and flash, as well as the 24/7 online shop with one added perk. Now you'll enjoy up to 80% off, and it is the best bargain that beauty has to offer. Now, I want to address a few things about this. So it reads like an IPSY announcement, but all of the add-on flash sale things read like Boxycharm. So just by looking at it, before I got any updates at all, it felt like Boxycharm is still going to be Boxycharm, but IPSY was going to kind of steal the Boxycharm customer, and the IPSY Glam Bag Plus would turn into the IPSY by Boxy, and then you would still have Boxycharm. Just now, it's complicated. Anyway, I do just want to say that is not happening, and this is currently just a rumor. So apparently, and according to Boxycharm, they did confirm that that was a marketing survey where they sent like a group of people who were doing like a focus group, 6 or 7 different scenarios, and they kind of asked, which of these do you think is the best or the least jarring or any of that information? And the whole purpose of that was to kind of see what people are thinking, and somehow this screenshot got out and everybody went crazy. Thank you to all of you who DM'd me this on Instagram. There were many of you asking me what I thought, asking what I felt, and asking if there was any truth behind the rumor. And I'm here to tell you from Boxycharm themselves, this is not happening, at least not that any of us know of now. That does not mean that this is not something that they're planning to do down the pike is what I was going to say, but like down the road. With that in mind, something we do just want to address is almost 2 years ago, Boxy and IPSY did merge together. They went public under BFA, so they are technically one company now. Now, they're technically running currently as 2 separate companies, which means we're getting IPSY and we're getting Boxycharm, and I know that we're all noticing the overlap. Something that was once an IPSY exclusive brand or Complex Culture, which is IPSY's house brand, was now starting to come in Boxycharm, and there were brands that were always Boxycharm exclusive suddenly coming in IPSY. So we are seeing a little bit of that merging from one brand to the next now that they are one brand. And it was only a matter of time before, I even said it in my first video when I was talking about their merge. Maybe eventually they're going to get rid of one of the subscriptions and all just do one. Now, I personally find that between IPSY and Boxycharm, you get different things out of both of the boxes. So I love getting both, not just because I love getting a bunch of products, but also because to me they do different things. IPSY tends to be a little bit more on the things that I either haven't gotten a chance to try or things that are a little bit more, I want to say, basic sounds rude, but a little bit more basic of items. Whereas I find in BoxyCharm, I get a little bit more of the like adventurous items. So if I'm going to get an eyeshadow palette in both, I know I'm going to get more vibrancy out of BoxyCharm and maybe more excitement, but I'm going to get some great staples out of IPSY. Being said, this is not happening, at least not right now. It still might in the future, but as far as we know, that is the end of this like mini tea discussion. Boxy and IPSY are currently staying separate. Now, while I'm here, I do want to also address the fact that I have not posted a video in 2 weeks, and I am honestly really upset about that because my channel is very important to me. I've been doing this for almost 5 years, and I used to post twice a week, then I went to every other day. Then there was a point where I actually was doing 5 days a week, and honestly, it was insane. And then I scaled back recently, back to every other day, and I was doing good with it for a while, and then with the move to Colorado and my new schedule and trying to get everything in order, it just kind of fell by the wayside, and unfortunately, I stopped filming, and that's not great. I love my studio, I love filming, I love doing these videos, so for me, it was just, I needed to get back. So I am here to say I am back. I'm going to try not to miss videos. I will still be, just as always, posting on Instagram and TikTok, so you can always see me over there as well. And I really want to hear from you because right now, it's not a relaunch of my channel. Nothing is changing, but also I feel like now is the time for a change. So please let me know down below, what are some of the things you're interested in seeing? What types of videos do you want? I recently did a Codally review, which I'll link up above. I'll probably forget to, but I want to link up above, talking about their new Premiere Crew line, and that video got a lot more attention than I thought it would. Originally it didn't, but I am still getting comments and views on that video. Do you want more of those review style videos, or do you like more BoxyCharm content? Do you like makeup tutorials, or have we moved into the realm of really enjoying skincare more? Basically, I just want to hear from you because as much as this channel was something that I built to give myself something to do at a time where I really needed to feel creative, it has always been for you. And I want to know, what do you want to see? Because for me, whether it's makeup reviews, skincare reviews, tutorials, demos, favorites, I am happy to do any and all of that. But I do want to make sure that I'm making things that people want to watch. So as always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them. Please let me know anything that you want to see, as well as what type of videos you really enjoy. And I will see you all in my next video, which will be every other day. Bye.